Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Q in IntelliJ. First, you will need to install the Amazon Q plugin. Simply navigate to your IntelliJ IDEA settings, find the marketplace, and search for Amazon Q. Click Install, and then restart your IDE. After restarting, you will authenticate. You can use a free AWS Builder ID for individual use or your company's IAM Identity Center for professional licenses. This process takes only a few moments. Amazon Q offers a robust set of features to boost your productivity. It can generate code ranging from small snippets to entire functions, understanding your intent from natural language. Beyond creation, it helps you refactor and optimize existing code, enhancing its readability and performance. A significant time saver is its ability to automatically generate unit tests for your code, supporting over 15 programming languages. You can interact with Amazon Q in several intuitive ways. The dedicated chat panel allows for conversational queries, providing expert guidance on AWS and general development. For direct code assistance, simply select a code block in your editor. A right-click reveals options to explain, refactor, or fix the code. Advanced users can leverage / commands like /dev to implement new features or /transform to upgrade Java applications from version 8 or 11 to 17. To get the most out of Amazon Q, focus on crafting clear and detailed prompts, providing context like your programming language or framework. Remember to always review and refine any code suggestions before integrating them. The AI is a powerful assistant, but your oversight is crucial. For larger challenges, break them into smaller, focused questions. This iterative approach ensures you receive the most accurate and helpful responses, significantly enhancing your development workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.